guys, welcome to DigiSmart Concept. The DigiSmart Concept is the mother umbrella of which Get Publish Initiative is a subsidiary. So don't get it confused. The Get Publish Initiative is a subsidiary of DigiSmart Concept. And I would like to welcome you all for taking a bold step and becoming part of the trainee. Now, I can guarantee you one thing, that at the end of 3 weeks, you will agree with me that this decision you have taken is the best decision you have ever taken this year, because I can guarantee you that at the end of the course, you'll be able to publish a book of your own. So let's get you started. All I want to do in this video is to get you familiarized with the course outline for this training. So in the first week, you are going to be learning a whole lot, and that is what I intend to get you introduced to. So day one is going to be for general introduction on the topic how to write and publish your own book. So it's going to be very exciting and very insightful. Now in day two, you are going to be learning how to write strong and purposeful writing. You will learn what is strong writing and what is purposeful writing, because these two adjectives should qualify every writing that will actually sell. Now on day three, you are going to be learning how to set up your book for success. You are going to be learning tricks and tips on how to actually put your book out for success. Then on day four, you are going to be learning brief history on Amazon as a company, and of course, you're going to be also learning about its founder. So week 4, that is all that we are going to be, week 1, day 4, that's all we are going to be learning. Now on day 5, you are going to be learning how to create a Kindle Direct Publishing account. Now this particular account is very, very necessary for any publisher that wants to publish his book online, especially on Amazon. Now the KDP account is like an executive digital office where all publishing work is carried out. So it's like an office, a digital office, and you're going to be learning how to create one by day 5. Now when we move to the second week, the first day we'll be learning the elements of an ebook. If an ebook is a professional one, there are certain components that will be present, and you are going to be learning about them. Then day 2, you are going to be learning downloading a Kindle Create app. How you can download a Kindle Create app. Now this is a very powerful app that Amazon has actually designed to help publisher to publish their book with ease. So you are going to be learning how to download this app, because you will be using it a lot. Then day 3, you'll be learning how to format your ebook. Now let's say you have a manuscript, or you have a lecture note or an outline, then you will be learning how to format it into an ebook format. Then day 4, you're going to be learning how to publish an ebook. So by day 4, you will have learned how to actually turn your manuscript into an ebook. Then day 5, you are going to be learning how to obtain an ISBN. Now an ISBN is necessary for every book that has a paperback kind of format. It might not be necessary for ebook, but if you are to prepare a book that you want to sell physically to people, then it must have an ISBN. So you'll be learning how to obtain this ISBN on Amazon. Then by week 3, day 1, you are going to be learning how to design your book cover. And this is very, very important, because your book cover is the first thing any prospective customer or buyer sees before they make decision on your book. So you want to make it catchy and attractive, and you'll be learning how to do this in day 1. Then day 2, you'll be learning how to publish a paperback. A paperback is like a book that has a paper cover, so which you can actually sell online as well, or physically. So you'll be learning how to publish that in day 2. Then in day 3, you will learn how to write a bestseller book. A bestseller book. You will be taught the strategies, the tricks on how to write a bestseller. Then by day 4, you are not just going to put your book forward for sale, you also want to make money out of it. So you will need an international account that will help you with this, and that is why you'll be introduced to Payoneer account. So when you have created this Payoneer, you can link it to your local account, and then your money can be transacted from your international account to your paper to your local account. So you will learn all of this in day 4. Then by day 5, I will be introducing you to this great program that Get Published Initiative has for all its students. It is called an affiliate program. So it's more or less like a program that when you join, you promote, and then you earn. So I will be sharing with you how you can be a partaker and how this can be of benefit to you. So this is all that we are going to be learning throughout the 3 weeks. So I would like you to relax, sit back, and enjoy this ride. If you have not subscribed to this page, I will subscribe to this YouTube. I will advise you that you do so right now, so that you can have access to all these course materials that we are going to be using for this training. I wish you the best, and it is my desire that by the time you're done with these 3 weeks, you will be able to have a book of your own published on Amazon and some other site that I'm going to be showing you. Do have a great time today.